coverage on the pandemic. Today, Fresno County health officials rolling out their new plan to move forward with vaccinating the public. Since the vaccination was released, the county has received around 44,000 doses from the state. But how many of those vaccines have been given out? Our Mederios Vaccine joining us live now at the Fresno Fairgrounds, where people are actually in line to get the vaccine right now. Mederios.
Of those 44,000 doses, around 2/3 have been given out to the public, and today the Fresno County Health Department spelling out exactly who is next in line.
Then you're good to go.
In the last month, around 30,000 shots of the Pfizer and Moderna vaccines administered across Fresno County. Around 14,000 still sitting on the shelf at the health department.
We want to be distributing instead of storing vaccine, but it does take time, and it takes a lot of logistical operations to make sure that goes as successfully as we need it to.
The vaccination process locally is broken up into several tiers. Fresno County is currently in Phase 1A, Tier 1 and 2. This includes all healthcare workers, nursing homes, and EMTs. Interim Health Officer Dr. Ray Vora says around 40% of healthcare officials have decided not to take the vaccine.
You know, our message to the healthcare community is get vaccinated now, do it this week. This is your week. Because after this week, we're going to open up more tiers.
Next week, it opens up to lab workers, primary care clinics, dentists, and pharmacy staff. Then in February, Phase 1B Tier 1 includes people over 75, food and agriculture workers, education and child care workers, and the homeless. Phase 1B Tier 2, expected to roll out in March, will include everyone over 65 and prisoners. And finally, Phase 1C will start in April and will include individuals over 50, people with underlying health conditions, and government officials. And while Vora says this is the plan, he also says it can change.
We don't want to have a lot of chaos in this system, obviously, but we do need to understand that we're going to need to be agile in order to meet all of the people that are eligible.
Vora does ask that anybody that is in those tiers that are able to get vaccinated register on the county health's website, and that they also bring proof of employment when they come to the vaccination sites like this one here at the fairgrounds. Reporting live, Mederios Vaccine, ksee 24, local news that matters.
Mederios, thank you.